That's pulled away hard from shah. Nicely played. Edge straight through the gap where a third slip would have been standing. And right.
Oh, nice shot. Down. 4.
Here's a shah. He's faced a lot of the deliveries out there.
It helps if you're bowling into the wind. Nice, another good shot. That's another 4. Yes.
2 wickets to get for the Australians. And oh, that's a good shot in the gap. And down the wicket and over the top. Good use of the feet from Shah. Nathan Lyon, probably the last over before the tea break. Shot. Oh, the full bunger into the deep and over the top.
To me, it all depended on how old was I. Okay, when I was 24, 25, it mattered, but after 28 years, I need a couple of deliveries to warm up.
Oh, flicked away nicely. We'll be definitely taking the new ball pretty soon. That keeps happening. Oh, could be another boundary. It is. Well, that takes Shah to 99.
Lofts it away, straight down the ground.